Dear Libya, I love you and I miss you.
Il-klim ta' Kylie Devon, Libjana li telqet minn twelidha sabiex tgħix il-ħajja li tixtieq, ħajja li fil-Libja hija biss ħolma.
There's just simply no life there for people like me as a trans person. First time my dad heard from someone in the street that I behave in a very feminine way in the streets, he punched me. It doesn't matter who you are. So I felt like I have no voice inside your body and you feel trapped. Besides the psychological effect of you cannot even show more of who you are. In school, people when they throw bottles at me or spit on me in the street or beat me up, and of course they're always using the religion as a power of why it's okay for them to mistreat me.
Kylie saħqet ma' TVM News illi wieħed ma jistaqgħod ikun reliġjuż u jaġixxi b'dan il-mod ma' wliedu stess.
Now that it's out there in the media, for example, and people know, my family disowned me. And what's the reason, like, oh, you're not scared of God, oh, you're not following their religion, this is forbidden. But if they're scared of God, they wouldn't have disowned me.
Minkejja dan kollu, Kylie tajt li qatt ma ħassitha mingħajr familja u xorta tħossha viċin tagħha.
In every country, they function different depending on the interpretation of their religion or of Islam. So it's not about the book, it's about how you interpret it. I believe in God, I grew up as a Muslim and I still have a lot of, I'm like even conservative in some aspect. Actual meaning of family, it was in Germany. It was with people that we have and share the same pain.
Kylie irrakkontat episodju li tajt se jibqa' stampat f'moħħha.
The militias use queer people for their sexual pleasure. And then once they're married, they're done with this. You're just ashamed. And sometimes they feel guilt when they engage in such activities. So their reaction is always humiliation because of how bad they feel about themselves. And this is one of the experiences that I went through as well with people like this. And I think this will always be like a stamp inside of me that, but I got over it, of course.
Kylie tkompli bl-attivizmu tagħha fil-Ġermanja fejn dejjem tappella l-ġustizzja għal minoritajiet bit-tama li toħloq kuxjenza bl-istorja u l-messaġġ tagħha.
Foremost, as a refugee myself, it's imperative to acknowledge and applaud the win for trans refugees and stateless individuals in Germany.